Now, Goshen FC and New Holland will square off in Sunday's final of the St. Elizabeth Major League after the return leg semi-finals on Thursday at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Goshen, which carried a 1-0 lead into yesterday's game, scored 2 more goals unanswered, courtesy of Javon Broomfield in the 33rd minute and Travis Grant in the 52nd.
Get a couple more goals and kill it off early, which we should have done it from last week, but unfortunately, now is the time, so we take it as it comes. First final for me, and the intention is to move on from this league to the other league. So it's straight winnings.
Now, New Holland progressed to the final 5-2 on aggregate over middle quarters after winning the second leg 2-1 on goals by Kadeem Stone in the 47th minute and Kemar Jones in the 73rd. Andrew Blake netted for middle quarters in the 53rd.
Last year, I took them to the semi-final and 3rd place overall. This year, we moved 2 places ahead. We are now at the final. And I just want to say congratulations to the guys. They have worked hard. They stuck to the task.